welcome back. It's Chris with Kelly's Garage. Here's another piece to the red-eye race car puzzle. As you're aware, we already got the seats. We've got the cage going in, cars dropped off. Another piece of the puzzle is staying strapped to the seat. So if that doesn't give you a hint, we'll go ahead and open up the box and show you what they are and what it all comes with. Am I going fast yet? So, we are gonna do, I plan on doing the cage red. I also plan on the black seats. So I've seen red seats with red harnesses. Doesn't look that good. That was me throwing up. So as you can see, we have a couple harnesses here. It's the same one in this box, so we're doing black seats with red harnesses. And fun fact, it looks like it expires in 2024. That's a whole other side of this, moving to race car stuff, is like the cage is certified for like 2 or 3 years, and then after that amount of time I have to get it recertified, which is pretty crazy because like if nothing happens, like you don't get in an accident or anything like that, you still have to recertify the cage. The seats are good for like, what, 2027? So 2027, like after that, if you're racing, you'd have to replace the seats in order for them to be certified or pass tech for an event. Granted, that depends on the track, the sanctioned event. It doesn't mean that you have to throw those seats out, but I have a feeling that like if you're doing an NHRA event, you'd have to have seat belts up to code. Your cage would have to be up to code, and so would your seats or any other safety equipment like your helmet, maybe suit, stuff like that, gloves. Anyway, so going on a little bit of a ramble there, but this is our racing harness. I'm sure my wife will drop a little picture of me clowning with putting it on, and she said I looked like a giant baby, so at least I'll be protected like the cool kids. Anyway, if you like the video, thumbs up. Any questions, feel free to give me a shout. Keep on keeping on. Mo power, baby.
You're so mean of you.